Guys Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel!
Very sweet.
Yeah.
Reminder, this assisted checkout accepts card only. No cash out. If you have a Flybuys card, please scan at any time.
Hi guys! So now we are outside the supermarket. Today is Jack's birthday and I bought him a cake. So ayun yung cake niya. Ayun. Diba? Blueberry cheesecake. So ngayon nandito ako sa labas kasi nanginintay ko si Jax. So today is Jack's birthday and I bought him a simple cake. Plus, I bought a car. Close up talaga. So I bought a cake and then I bought a card for Jax and then I bought a ticket for the hot spring. Ayun yung present ko kay Jax sa Warnable siya. So mamaya ulit guys. Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, today is 2nd of February and today is Jack's birthday. Ayan. So today, afternoon na guys, and we are heading to Jack's sister kasi may ganap na pa-dinner doon. So, ayan na nga guys, simple lang. Kanina I bought a cake nga. So, doon, mamaya isasama ko kayo kung hindi mga shy ang mga white people mamaya sa camera and you will see how they will sing on Jack's birthday. So guys, what are we waiting for? Happy watching! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
So what was only accurate again when Aisha's your birthday next and your 30th.
Ayan na guys, ito yung cake ni Jax. Yung binili ko kanina, tapos nakita nyo kanina yung celebration namin dun sa bahay ng kapatid ni Jax. Saka yung mga nephews niya nandoon. So,
You do this.
and, hi Jax!
Hello. I've got a cake.
Yeah,
What type is it?
it's a blueberry cheesecake.
Nice. Just to sing me happy birthday, or do I just blow the candles out?
It's okay, I will sing you a happy birthday.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hep hep.
Hooray! Hooray!
Happy birthday, boo boo.
Thank you.
Jaxo.
Okay, let me take a big breath.
And make a wish before you blow it. Hooray! You like it?
Yes, thank you.
Kailangan naman.
Okay. Take this out. Ooh.
You happy today?
Yes, thank you, Dynamo, for your gifts and your cake.
Yeah, what I give to you?
You got me a card. Okay, we won't go through the whole song. And then if
We should, do that earlier when you do the
should have
gig.
done, actually should have just done that.
So I'm not singing.
Does it actually start if I... Oh. Cha! Cha, 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 cha. Thank you. Oh, that was a card. I have a gift voucher for Super Cheap Auto as well.
Yeah.
So I'll definitely find something to buy there. And also next weekend we're going to Warrnambool Hot Springs. Yeah! So I haven't been there before, not too sure what's there, but I'm guessing there'll be pools of hot water, and yeah, it should be good when we make a whole weekend out of it. So stay tuned for a lot more videos from Warrnambool and around the area. So thank you. Malagang kaarawan ako.
Yeah, you clap now and then you close it.
Yes. I have to close it as well.
Yeah.
Bye bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learnt something today. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of this channel, subscribe down below. Also leave us a comment. Tell me Malagang kaarawan or happy birthday, whichever one you'd like to use. And I'd like to thank everyone from around the universe. I'll thank you from one of my hypothalamus. Damn, you say a lot of stuff. And I'll see you when I see you on my next one. Bye guys. Be good, stay safe, and mwah, ciao la.